What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and this is going to be a quick one where they're going to drain the transmission oil or fluid. If you're curious how to remove this, just check on I'll leave a link on top how to remove the supercharger. But this is just solely just to drain the fluid and put new fluid in. Yeah, let's start. The plug is right here, and we're going to use 3/16 Allen. Get an extension, and it'll be easier. You go ahead and break that, and while you're doing that, go ahead and have the fluid, go ahead and have the supercharger lean backwards, so while you're getting the plug out, you don't have anything spilling out. Now we have it completely removed. We're gonna get like a drain pan or something. You're gonna pour it out. What I'm gonna try to do, because I want to see how much was in there, I'm gonna get a bottle and pour it in and see how much we had in there. So we got all the fluid out. Probably a little bit less than a quarter of this bottle. Just examining the fluid. I don't see anything, abnormal. And it's just dark, just wear and tear. So we're gonna put the new fluid in. So after I got everything out, I got the new fluid. It's pretty much, I was smelling it. I was smelling it as well. It actually smells pretty good. So the fact that this has a terrible odor, especially the fact that the used one has a terrible odor, and it isn't this color, it's been long overdue. Because I don't know, you guys can't see it, but looking inside, it's clear. So I only have two hands for this whole operation. So what I'm gonna do is basically hold the supercharger the best I can. Have the funnel seated, and just pour this in. So after you put all the fluid in, go ahead and get a new seal for the plug, and then put the plug back in. And you're gonna tighten it back. Don't have to be too tight. Just want to make sure it's snugged in. So get it a little bit of turn, snug it. That's it. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you replace supercharger fluid. And now I'm just gonna put this back on the car, and that's it. We're done. So after you put everything back together, just double check. For all I did, I put all my bolts around the supercharger, have my connections, my little bracket for the guide for this hose. I put everything back together over here. This is why it's important to label it, because while I was trying to funnel putting things around, things were kind of like misplaced or or in a different location where it shouldn't be. But like if you did what I did, where I label each port, each each vacuum hoses and everything, you're good. The connectors, you don't really have to label them because it only fits directly to one type of sensor, so you don't necessarily have to worry about misplacing a connector or switching them up. For the front, I put the belt back on, put the hose back on, I put everything back on, and then the last thing I need to do, or you need to do, is to bleed out the system. So I would put fluid in here and then release these screws up here and basically get it bleeded out. That's it. I have a tool to help me get that through, but that's for another video, because the next video, there's something in that box over there that's going to be in front of this car. If you don't know what it is yet, you go ahead and check the next video coming in soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.